never do unboxings, but for this one, I'm unboxing the Nike Air Max Trainer 1. I got this shoe on Black Friday, or actually Thanksgiving Day, as I sat there right after we ate. I went on Nike.com. I think I got these shoes for, they're like $55 shipped. It was crazy. There's 25% off code that I used, and voila, there they are. So they come in your basic Nike box, swoosh, just do it tape, which is cool. Here's the box right here. Nothing too special. Bring it a little closer. Here's what we have. Typical orange and white. And I got the all black, and I'm not going to work out in these shoes. I do exercise, but here's the shoe. And I really like the way it looks. I like the triple black look. As you can see, the front toe is mesh. You got the, air cushioning on the back. You got the orange, or the, I don't know, orange red on the inside. There's the bottom right there. So, good looking shoe. I'm just going to wear it on the street because I think it looks good. It almost looks like they just took a basic mesh shoe, honestly, and gave it an air sole, and then put some straps here and something there. But it all comes together for me. There are other colorways. I might look at those, but they have a lot of white down at the bottom, which I tend to get very dirty. But here they are.